How's it going, everyone? Jay here with LMR.com. Today we'll be covering the removal and installation of your inner door handles on your 1994 to 2004 Mustangs. Over time, these inner door handles can become worn out or damaged due to wear and tear. Follow along and we will show you the steps on how to replace these. First, start off by removing the inner door panel. Check out the link in the description below to show you how this one is done. Next, you will need to locate the inner door handle attachment point. The factory handle will be held in place by a rivet. If you do still have this rivet, you will need to drill this one out. As you can see here, our handle had been replaced somewhere down the line and was held in place by a bolt and a nut. Once you have the handle free from the door, you will need to flip this one over and free the cable from the handle. You can do this by pulling away from the base of the handle where the cable meets it to free it. Now slip the cable end out. Normally these cables will be held in by a retaining clip on the back side of the handle. If equipped, remove this from the handle. Before going back in with your new handle, you will need to paint to match. If you are not familiar with the painting process of the interior parts, check out the link in the description below to show you how this is done. Once your handle is dry, it is time to go back on the car. Start by slipping the cable end into place. Next, secure the cable base into the handle. Now we will need to secure the handle to the door. Insert your rivet through the handle and into the door frame and make sure that everything is sitting flush. Now you can use your rivet gun and set the rivet into place. Repeat these steps for the other side. Check over your work and verify proper operation. Then you can reinstall your moisture barrier and your door panel, and then you are all done. Well everyone, this one is a simple job to do. There's nothing worse than having one of your inner door handles fail. But as you can see here, this one is a simple task to get the job done. These should take you about a half an hour per side from start to finish. Some of your tools will include assorted screwdrivers, a drill, socket set, and a rivet gun. If you enjoyed this video, give us a thumbs up. Make sure that you are subscribed to our channel and turn on notifications so you can be up to date with all our new tech content like this one. As always, keep it here with the real Mustang enthusiasts at LMR.com.